Today's new word is despondent. D-E-S-P-O-N-D-E-N-T. Despondent. Despondent means inner lost spirits from loss of hope or courage. What are the synonyms for the word despondent? They are disheartened, discouraged, dispirited, downhearted, and lost spirit. So what are the antonyms for the word despondent? They are hopeful, and optimistic. Let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1. I feel disappointed when my work is rejected. Number 2. He has become rather despondent about his lack of progress. Number 3. We are more despondent and needy than ever. Number 4. By comparison, she felt drained and despondent. Number 5.